Welcome to ClearTask. If you have two separate tables in Microsoft Word and need to combine them vertically, there is a simple way to do it without copying and pasting cell by cell. Before merging, ensure both tables have the exact same number of columns. If the columns do not match, the merged table will not align properly. Hover your cursor anywhere over the second table. A small icon with 4 arrows will appear in the top left corner. Click and hold this icon to grab the table. Drag the table upward until it touches the bottom edge of the first table. Then release your mouse. Word will automatically snap them together into a single table. If dragging and dropping feels imprecise, there is a faster keyboard trick. Place your text cursor in the empty space between the two tables. Press the delete key on your keyboard to remove the gap. Once the empty space is gone, the two tables will merge instantly. That is all it takes to merge tables in Word. Subscribe for more direct productivity tutorials.